हेलो गुड इवनिंग एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम टू माय चैनल द इनविजिबल ट्रेडर। वीडियोस अगर आपको अच्छे लगते हैं तो लाइक कमेंट शेयर कीजिए और बाकी लोगों को हमारे साथ जोड़िए। आज थोड़ा फास्ट करेंगे बिकॉज ऑफ ट्रैवलिंग एंड इंटरनेट इश्यूज। अगर आप लोगों को याद होगा, इफ यू गाइस रिमेंबर माय आई हैव गिवन 4 dates you in April from time cycle. One is 5th April, 8th April, 13 April, 15 April. Our view was 5th April to 8th April will be in positive direction. If you see, though Bank Nifty was on a sell on rise, except this green candle up to 8th April, if the closings you will, the candles you will see the candles in an upward movement, though it was a sell on rise kind of view, right? And from 8th April, we said the selling might start. We were waiting for 9th April. And 9th April, I said that we may see a knee jerk bounce, dead cat bounce, and this is what the bounce I was talking at. And then we would still stay sell on rise. If you look at my channel, I didn't make a video for 9th April, but I give an exact label. So we'll come to that on 9th April, what we did. Now the view is basically 9th, 12, 13, 14, up to 15, right? So we have a holiday in between. So we have 3 trading days, 12, 13 and 15, okay? 15 gada I cannot guarantee, because from 15 onwards, I am looking for a big up move actually on the positive side. And it may happen on the 15th itself, which is our expiry day. And I'm looking for a buying jackpot. If this is a weekly view I'm giving, if Monday and Tuesday, we have a red candles, which I'm expecting. So I am actually negative on Monday and Tuesday, and I would be positive on Thursday. Okay. But whatever downside I will capture, I'll capture on Monday. For Tuesday, I might not go for that big of kind of sell. Okay. From a target point of view, see, from a target point of view on a daily time, this is the time cycle analysis. From a price analysis, if you look at this breakout, right, which Bank Nifty has closed almost 3 days, 1, 2, 3, right? 3 days. Now this is really, really weak from a Bank Nifty point of view. And the news that are coming, and especially Corona coming in the, I'm telling you, in the first time Corona, Bank Nifty was actually giving positive signs of recovery. In second time, it may not give that much of positive signs. Okay. I mean, after the lockdown is done. So here we would still say negative. I don't see any reason why we should stay positive in banks. Okay, at least for next week ideally. Okay, next week I don't see any reason for banking becoming positive. So my personal view would be negative. And this bull candle, especially this candle, look at the size of the candles, right? I'm expecting similar size kind of candle in Monday or Tuesday, either of one of the days. I'm already taken P, everybody knows, because the easier trade for Bank Nifty would be opening flat and going down. Because if Bank Nifty opens flat or even mild positive, that means within 100 points of gap up, even in that case, also Bank Nifty will go for a sell. Okay. So the selling pressure will continue, and my target would be in Monday and Tuesday combined 31,252, at least this, or 31,100 at best case. Okay. So I'm talking about a 1300 point fall in Bank Nifty in 2 days. And it may happen on 13th also. Sorry, 13th is a holiday. Sorry, 12th, 13th also. 14 is a holiday. 15, we may see a positive bounce back, and that positive bounce back should come somewhere around from this level. Okay, either from the support or basically from the demand zone, which is around, if you look at mota mota, it is 31,000 level anyway. So we're talking about 1300 to 1400 points fall. That would be my personal view. My view might be wrong, but that would be my personal view on a time and price based analysis. Okay, remember the dates that I have given. I have already taken P. I have already told in the group. We will see. When I come to Monday's trading, I will tell. See, Bank Nifty, it was weak. The dates, if you look at, though it respected our time analysis, but Nifty was a very clear view. If you look at, this is 5th April, 6th April, 7th April, 8th April, and on 8 from 8 April, we were on the downside anyway. So look at the views here. 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. It was clearly positive move, right? And then from 8 up to 15, I'm actually on the negative side. So we'll see, we got a negative on the ninth one anyway. This should continue. A lot of people might have taken a bull trade. I'm not at all a bull for next 2-3 days. Okay. Now coming down to the trading that we have done on Thursday, right? If you guys remember, I didn't make a video, but I've given you a label. What are the label I have given you? 14,802. If you look at this, is exact low is 14,806. And I said 14,802 is a very, very strong support in the morning, right? So people who have bought from here, they could have got easily 100 point plus futures, right? And then I also said that you should need to stay sell on rise. Okay, so it's a sell on rise. These levels, is it the exact level from where Nifty has to come down? Yes, absolutely. So our people who have taken the training, they know why Nifty fell down exactly from this level. And I'll give you Bank Nifty also. So the Bank Nifty fail, which I took as a PE personally, exactly from not this one, sorry, this level, exactly 32,946. Okay. Anyway, I will not claim that. People who are my students, they know. They only told me, sir, dot to dot market yahan se gira hai, right? And I said, yep, that is the power of the level. Anyway, again, when Nifty was falling and Bank Nifty was falling, what I told you guys in the live, I gave you one level, which is 14,840. We would see a buying. And Bank Nifty, I gave you a level 32,600. Can you see? This is the exact level 603. So from here it was a buying. From here around 12:30, European market opened flat to negative. And I told in the group also, am I seeing it right? So I trailed my stop loss and my TSL went out in some of these candles. Okay, my TSL went out, but you have a very, very clear side that Bank Nifty is not going to stay above anymore. So we got a very small profit here. We got a wonderful profit in this selling. We got a small profit in this buying, and that's what we traded in the entire day. Myself, I'm telling, traded in the entire day, right? And all our labels were perfect. Let us see Monday, what are the labels that we are looking at? Okay, so just on the CPR. So the Monday, and we have our black levels anyway. So Monday, these trend lines are not going to be valid anymore, guys, and that is why I need to delete this. From Monday, the trend line that you guys need to draw is ideally this on a 5 minutes time frame. The trend line that you need to follow is ideally this. Yeah. Okay. Just draw this trend line because we have a view of sell on rise, and our sell on rise ideally should come from this level. Okay, our sell and rise should ideally come from this level. If you draw another trend line, you will get that level. Okay, if you go back here and if you draw this trend line from here to here, if you draw this, you will get this level. So that also we need to respect a little bit. So yeah, this is the level I was talking about. Yeah, it should go a little bit lower, Yeah. Yeah. So this is the level I was talking about, which is our black level anyway. Okay. So keep that out. This trend line will confuse you. So don't put it. Just remember the level. So a Bank Nifty opening flat. Okay. Let us say it is opening flat. It's going up. Go for a sell around 32,600 level. Okay. This one. 32,600, 620 level. You can sell. Post case 650. Okay. 650 say bhi you can sell. I'm sell on rise if by chance market goes up. My view is market should open flat and it should start falling from starting itself ideally, and it should never recover. We might just see a recovery at S1, which is around 32,195, is 32,200. We have a black level here. You might just get a little bit of support here, but market should ultimately fall. My target tomorrow, okay, if bank nifty is trading below 32,300, ये पहले भी बोला 32,300 के नीचे, if it is trading in first 1 hour, my target would be 31,900, 940, even 821 that I would look at. So I'm talking about a 600 to 700 point fall at least on a Monday. Okay, this is the target I'm looking at. Okay, now this is on the downside because our view is bearish. Okay, now what happens if bank nifty goes up and we would still, the view is still sell on rise. The only level above which I will not think of sell is basically 32,700. So if bank nifty goes above 32,700 and stays above that, I will ideally wait for selling. It's still a sell on rise mode for me, but I will ideally wait for selling unless it comes down below 620. Okay, below 620. So 32,620 to 30,700 will be my no trade zone. Above 32,700, I may basically go for a small buying up to this black level. I don't think this is going to happen, but still then if the scenario happens, just keep it for the scenarios, okay? Because based on level only, we are going to do the trading. Similarly for Nifty, guys, I'll tell you, for Nifty also, in the channel I told, in Nifty is going to trade between 32,000, below 32,810. I am going to buy PE and my target is very straightforward, up to 32,650 straight in 2 days. Okay, that's what I am looking at. And if I just make it on, right, and then we need to take a trend line from below also, like Bank Nifty. So if I just try to take this, yeah, right. So you might see a sell again on the pivot side, but this trend line again, as I said, downside is a little bit confusing. So forget this trend line, keep this trend line with you. Okay. Now Bank Nifty ideally should not gap up. If it gaps up, it has very high chances that it might go and retouch 873 again before falling down. If Nifty opens flat a little bit gap down, there are very high chances that market will come down. The target for Nifty, ideally, if you look at it, not the support one I'm taking, but the target for Nifty would be ideally 32,740 to 750 around. Okay, that means I'm talking about a 80 to 90 point fall in Nifty from today's closing. I mean from Friday's closing. Okay. My ultimate target, guys, जो मैं weekly view में देना चाहिए था, my ultimate target would be 650. ये previous week low दिख रहा है 610. My ultimate target would be 655 in Nifty. Okay, that is what I would look at. Yeah, this is the level. Okay, 650 is a downside I'm looking in Monday and Tuesday. Okay, so that is what my target would be on the downside, provided that it starts trading below 800, 14,800 for 1 hour. Then very confidently, do not take any bullish trade at all. You can take actually a sell, and my personal very strong view is Nifty should touch 650, 655 in just 2 days. Okay, that is my personal view. The only reason we should be worrying is about IT, but I just said IT sectors, the rally has already happened. People know that the result days are coming. If the IT sectors, even they show a little bit minus result from the expectation, they will fall very heavily. In that case, Nifty fall might be very dangerous. Okay. But for next week, probably it may not, because we have the result days for each and every company separately for separate days, right? So Nifty IT might probably try to keep, or in some cases FMCG too, will try to keep Nifty a little bit up. That is why when I'm giving you a downside target of 1500 points almost in Bank Nifty, in Nifty I'm only giving you 200 points ka target. Okay, 200 points ka target only. And we should book here if you are going to sell on a Monday. Okay, so this is the target we are looking for. Intraday, as I said, 740 I'm looking for on Monday at least. Rest for me is bonus. Okay, Nifty would also be on sell on rise ideally. If as I said in Bank Nifty, if market opens flat and goes up, I'm not expecting market to go very high. It might be just 30-40 points. It should start falling on Monday. And in that case, the level would be obviously our pivot level, 840. 840 was a powerful level, which I have given you on Friday also, right? यहाँ से fall होना चाहिए, 840 to 850 से fall हो जाना चाहिए ideally. We would not sell Nifty if Nifty crosses this level, which is around 870. That means if it is opening or even going up and sustaining our 870, which is 40 points from its closing, and stay 1 hour there, then probably we would not try to sell. We'll try to look a sell from R1, which is 14,900. Otherwise, we are not going to sell. That is how we are going to trade, guys. I'm not going to do any stock analysis because of the bandwidth. But if you have any questions, you can ask me in the group. Thank you very much. Good night. Jai Mata Di. And do remember the dates that I have discussed. I would anyway will try to make some intraday videos, and I'll try to say, tell you that how you are going to trade on the dates. And just look at the candle formation once a bit before I close. Yeah, this is a bearish, pure bearish candle. Yeah, that is the candle which gave me confidence actually to take P. It is bearish, pure bearish candle, and it should at least give me 1 day red, even if it is not giving on a 13, because 13 is a blue candle, which is kind of a mixed kind of behavior. It might become a doji, or it might become a green doji, it might become a red doji, you don't know. But at least Monday I'm expecting a little bit of fall. ठीक है, the view is fine. That is what my personal view is. बाकी live में the way I gave it on Friday, I'll try to give one level in each Nifty and Bank Nifty, or one trade on Monday also. Okay, thank you very much. Good night. Jai Mata.